going on, everybody? We are here today to talk about Kaspa. Now, I am not an expert on Kaspa or the super sweet Ghost Rad protocol. I have very little idea about this thing. I'm learning as you are, but I thought what I look for is trading opportunity. And I thought, why not? Let's just kind of look at Kaspa together and figure out, is this something that we want to trade? Now, if you haven't before, my name is Believes. Down here in the descriptions below are futures trading options for you and places you can go to engage with me. Make sure you hit the like button on the way in. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you like the content. Hit the bell to be notified of future content. And without further ado, we're going to dig into it. I'm using the MEXC chart because that is one of the sponsors of the channel. So what I'm looking at right now, we've reached a bearish move right here. The 50 SMA has crossed over here into a bearish pattern. If you don't know what that means, the yellow line right here is the 200 SMA. That's the smooth moving average. And then we have the 50 SMA, which is coming down this way. Now, this is part of a breakdown in the market. Is this sustained? I don't think so. This is because of the Israel and Palestine issues that are going on right now. But Kaspa, up until just a moment ago, was up 2%, now up 1.2% on the day. And let me tell you why. We're going to zoom in. You guys will know very quickly that I am big on this because this is about trading. This is about, can you make money on this? And what happened? Well, what happened is this hit the value area high, which was just newly minted a few hours ago. Value area high, for those you don't know, that is your short signal. When you get a move up into this red zone right here, then the idea and the premise here is to short this down to the point of control, which is the blue line right here. So what I expect the move to be right now is going to be from here down to here. Then I don't know, but it looks like it's coming down. So if I'm to make a guess, then what I would say is we've wicked out over here. We're coming down off of it. We're going to test this. We'll probably get a quick rejection and then come down a little bit lower into this range. This range right now is 3.97 cents. When it gets into the 3.97 cent range, I'm going to go long. I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to go long on this position right here with a take profit set right here at 41.602 cents. Very simple. I make this as easy as I possibly can. We're looking to accumulate. Now, what do we do with the winnings? If we have futures win and we do a short right here and we get it and it comes down here and we take our profit, what do we do with it? Then we buy more Kaspa on spot. And that's how we're going to accumulate more Kaspa as we go. Now, I do want to say every once in a while, you're going to take a loss. You're not going to win every trade, right? This right here, as an example, we had a trade going in right here where we were 10x on Kaspa right here. And what happened? It broke down and then it continued to break down all the way into a new range. Well, then it came back up. We had an opportunity to take a smaller loss right here. Didn't take the smaller loss. We started moving it back down here because we don't do much activity around the point of control. And then it continued to move down here, and then we got stopped out and we got lost right about here. Well, then it continued to move on down here and put us into this range right here, which minted a new point of control, which moved up here into a value area high. And we're in a bearish pattern. We're in a bearish sentiment. The market is very bearish. So what do? Now we take this short trade and we take it all the way down to the point of control. And I hope that that made sense to you. If it doesn't make sense to you, that's okay. We're going to be covering this for a few days, and you guys are going to get an idea and a sense of what it is that we're doing here and what it looks like. And volume wise, I would expect here that we do get a move down into the point of control, because on your volume range profile, it does look like we are, let's zoom out just a little bit here. And it does look like right here, that is an effective point of control because that's where a lot of trade volume is happening. But then we're going to have this empty area right here that will take us down through here right into this range. So that should probably be the new point that we're going to take a long on and play it back up to that point of control. So that's what I got for today for trading. Now, move over here. Did you know there is some information that we have on Kaspa? Again, we're going to be digging into this over the course of the next few days. Well, currently, we have 17 developers working on the Kaspa network, 2 specializing in DevOps support, 12 actively developing Rusty Kaspa, and then Kaspa's development community is global. It's all over the country. And you can go to GitHub and you can check it out. This is a new startup blockchain, a lot of buzz behind it, a lot of cool stuff. Ghostrad protocol. Again, we're going to dig into Ghostrad, tell you what exactly it is, how it works, how it benefits you, and then we're going to check into Rusty Kaspa and see what that is. And also, just announced there is a Kaspa listing on xt.com. XT is it has a huge volume, 193,000 followers. And if I were to break it down over here on cryptocurrency spot exchanges, you come down here, it is a top 25 with 555 million in trading volume in the 24-hour period. Now, when we get over here to derivatives, not as high up. Well, actually, you know what? Still high up, still at number 25. But here's the important part when we speak about derivatives. Let's hit trading volume here. It is a top 5. It's the top 10. Top 10. It's number 9. All right, I'm working on math, guys. Give me a break. XT.com is currently ranked 9th overall, $6 billion in futures and derivatives trading volume. So this is a big exchange. This is a big listing. Guys, I'm going to be digging into Kaspa over the next bunch of days. I hope that you're going to follow me on that journey. If you do, make sure, again, that you hit the subscribe button, you hit the like button, you leave a comment down below letting me know you appreciate the process. And hopefully we'll learn this thing together and we'll all have a great time. Kaspa, I think, is going to be a big one in the next bull run. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. It's not financial advice. My name's Bleeves. I am always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again